Alp-Arslan's time will come too. I'll take his life with my own hands.
Alp-Arslan will plant the Seljuk flag in Vaspurakan one day, just so you know. And when that time comes, Vaspurakan will be the place you are buried.
Bring him. Death to all Turks! Death to all Turks!
Alp-Arslan?
You'd go to your death without me, Atabey?
Come. Get out.
It is time. Let's go.
Alp-Arslan.
Alpagut, don't stand there, catch him! Alpagut?
You thought you wouldn't pay for the innocent people you killed, ignoble filth?
Alpagut! Guards! Guards!
Bey, why do we still let this dog talk? Allow me to take his life.
We need him alive for now, Atabey.
What's going on here?
Silicos, run!
Soldiers! You will pay dearly for what you have done.
We have paid enough already. Now it's time to collect.
The tech food will not let you get away with this.
They'll hold you to account because I got in here. Let him be responsible. Take off what you're wearing, Atabey. They must think this dog is you.
Alp-Arslan, I beg you, let me go. Let me go, I beg you.
We will handle the rest. You go back. Your absence might raise suspicion.
And the Fair Lady of Dockyard!
Preparations are ready, sire.
Where's Yanis?
Governor Yanis was accompanying the gladiator. He will join us shortly.
Good. Let the show begin.
Alp-Arslan, where are you?
Death to all Turks! Death to all Turks! Death to all Turks! Kill the filth! Come on!
You have nowhere to run, Hassan.
Don't stand there! They had the Turk! Show him how it's done! Give it to him! Get out! He's nothing but a Turk! Don't just stand there! Show him how...
Throw him back down!
Get him! Give it to him! Show him how it's done! Kill the bear! Kill him! Give it to him! Come on, kill him! Give it to him!
think he's doing?
Finish him! What are you waiting for? Fight! Fight! Do it! Fight! Come on! Kill him! Give him your best! Behead the Turk! Finish him! Come on! Kill him! Show him how it's done! Take his head! Kill the Bill! Come on! Kill him! Take his head! Come on! Kill him! What are you waiting for?
It healed my wound. Thank you.
You keep it, Bay. Maybe it will heal another wound.
Come on! Come on! Show him how it's done! Give him some more! Kill the Show him how it's done! Whoa! Ah! Fight! It's not over yet! Him! Show him how it's done! Come on!
Oh, Parslan. I never thought you'd be the one who'd help me eliminate Giannis.
Where's Giannis?
Stop running like a coward!
Finish him!
Throw him back in there!
Finish him! Finish him! Finish him! Finish him! Show him how it's done! Show him how it's done! Battle!
It was me who killed your wife, Maria. It was me who burned down the Oba. Your child, who you thought was dead, is watching you right now. And she's waiting for the moment we'll finish all the Seljuks.
Father! No!
Giannis? Giannis?
Thank Allah.
Catch the gladiator! He's Alp-Arslan!